welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to build a Valentine's Day email using the templates available in Beefree. So I just filtered on Valentine, and these are the 3 templates that came up and that are ready for you to use and customize. You can go ahead and preview these and decide which one fits your needs the best. This one is a little bit more personal, a little simpler. If you have a single image, some text, and a CTA button, that might be your choice. There's also a save the date option for an event, and then there's a promotion email. And I'm going to go ahead and open this one and just show you the kinds of things that you can customize really easily to make this email your own and send it to your recipients. So once this email is open, obviously all the text right away is easy to edit. So I can just show you some of the things you might want to do. You can always delete content blocks altogether by just clicking on this button here. And if you make a mistake or you want to go back, you can always hit undo down here in the corner, and it'll restore your deletion or whatever you changed that you want to leave. I love this heart is animated, so great. So these obviously are stock images that you can use, but of course if you're promoting your own products, you'll want to upload your own images. So all you have to do is click on it, come over and click change image. You'll go to the file manager where you can upload your own images really easily. Just upload and plug them in. Again, you can delete a whole column if you want, if you only want to feature one product. Update your text really easily. Button text can be updated right on the button. And you can do a whole lot of button customizations too, like changing the border radius to make it more square. You can also make it longer. Where did that go? The padding, yeah, so you can make it longer on either side so that the button is easier to spot and tap on a mobile device. You can change the border. Obviously, there's a lot to change there. Make sure you link everything that you add and change. The button itself should be linked here. Any image should be linked so that all readers of the email can go straight to your landing page. And really, you can make these fine tweaks and these little updates and adjustments in a matter of minutes. You can change the colors. And you can have a lot of fun. So go ahead and start tinkering with our newest Valentine's Day email templates and send them for this holiday.